At Suncoast Built, we believe outdoor spaces should work as hard as the people who build them.
My name is Dylan Malone from Kansas City, Missouri. I have a pool and outdoor living company.
Brian Waters, the owner of Nashville Enclosures, based out of Nashville, Tennessee.
Our motto is simple: better outdoor living. We manufacture premium aluminum louvered roofs, retractable screens, and 3-season rooms designed to elevate outdoor spaces and built to last. But we're more than a manufacturer. We're a partner. When you carry Suncoast products, you get more than high-quality systems. You get product support, training, and a team committed to helping you grow your business.
For the support, the onboarding, it's been phenomenal since day one. The training out of the gate, I think I probably wore out the cell phones of 2 or 3 different guys as many times as we're calling product questions, training, what's this, what's that.
The training with Suncoast has been really good. They're more than willing to fly help in, tap into different resources with special projects, things that are difficult. Any support, they're a phone call away, so the training with Suncoast has been amazing.
Whether you're a deck builder, landscaper, or outdoor living professional, we help you add value, increase project scope, and win more jobs.
The Suncoast products have given us exposure to higher-end clients. It's a luxury item, it's an added piece of revenue, and it's a higher ticket item, so something good for us to pair up with pools, and it's kind of the same clientele is looking for the same product.
Let's build better outdoor living together. Suncoast Built.